Welcome the our channel. Today we how to cancel Patreon membership, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your Patreon membership, first, open your web browser. Go to the Patreon website by typing www.patreon.com in the address bar. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. Click on My Memberships in the left-hand menu. You will see a list of all the creators you are supporting. Select the creator whose membership you wish to cancel. On the Creators page, find the Manage Membership button. Click on it to access your membership details. Look for the Edit or Cancel Membership option. Choose Cancel Membership from the drop-down menu. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Read through the prompt carefully. If you are sure, click the Cancel Membership button to confirm. You will receive a notification that your membership has been cancelled. Remember, you will still have access until the end of the current billing cycle. That's it. Your Patreon membership has been successfully cancelled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.